big news. You ready for it? I bought my first NFT last night, boys, for a bad amount of money, bro. Self-taught. So I woke up this morning, texted my boys real quick and asked, did I make the right decision? And guess what they said? Absolutely not. They said it might be one of the worst investments they've seen so far. So just continue breaking records, True story, too. We're back in action, boys. Alright, man, welcome back to, honestly, my favorite series right now. We actually just started it. You guys seem to like it. It's where people give me things and we unbox it and we don't know what it is. Now, before I explain any further, all I gotta say is I'm not doing these videos for me to get stuff. I'm literally doing it for content and that's it. I think these are so fun. So to prove that, whatever we get in this box, and this might be hard because I don't know what's in it and it might be really sick and I might want to keep it, but I'm just gonna say right now, whatever's in this box, I'm gonna give away if we can get 700 thumbs up within the day. All you guys gotta do is thumbs up, comment down below. My Instagram's right here if you want to DM me telling me you did that. That'd be awesome. Might make it a little bit easier for me to pick you. But anyway, how this works, boys, this series is people, okay, it started with people always just like asking to send me things, you know what I mean? As a YouTuber, and I guess when people think that you're somewhat of a cool person, they just ask to give you things, and I've never accepted until I thought this series would be dope because so many people were like, yo, I've got this jewelry I don't wear anymore, I want to send it to you. First thing I say is why, and then they say I think it would be really cool to watch a video of something I gave you. So it kind of makes sense, boys. The last one we did, I think an actual millionaire sent us like his old jewelry he didn't want. I think we're gonna go by professions in this series, like maybe a dentist will send me something next or something. I think that's fun. But for this one today, boys, we have a retired rapper. Now the story goes, he hit me up on Instagram. He doesn't want his name out there or anything. I'm gonna put that out there right now, which is probably good because I blocked him right after. No, I'm just kidding. No, this dude is a retired rapper. He said, Bran, this would be a great title. I used to rap and stuff like that. You know what I mean? I don't wear this stuff anymore. And I was like, cool, whatever. That's a sick title. What do you do now? Maybe it's like a cooler title. And he's like, real estate. I'm like, that's pretty sick, bro. But like, maybe we'll stick with the rappers. So apparently this guy went through a phase. He's an older dude, man. He's got some kids. I had to peep the page. He sent me some jewelry that we can unbox. It's a surprise. Okay, so I know what it is. I'm not gonna lie. I do know what it is, but I don't know what it is. Let's think a little bit harder about how to say that better, Brandon. I know what style of jewelry it is because Buddy spilled the beans, but he didn't send me a picture because I told him not to send me a picture because he already spilled the beans. So we're all gonna be freaking happy here. And also he said it's real diamond jewelry, which I never accept, but he was very adamant that I accept it. So I still don't want to accept it, so I'm gonna give it to you guys. Without further ado, that's the video. Let's get into our free thing that we got from a certified failed rapper. Sorry, bro. Look at the side. It says handle with care. That should be a good thing. Oh God, hopefully it's not glass. It's not even funny. Alright, boys, enough time wasted. Let's just get into this. Once again, I'm giving this away. Everyone eats here. You know what I mean? We're about to get all fat and sassy.
Eat bread and desserts and just get all fat and sassy.
Alright, boys. I think I opened this regular. I'm not trying to destroy it because you said a real diamond. To learn how to open a box, bro. How do you do it? How do you open a box like that? Oh, it's taped from the other side. What the hell is going on? Okay, screw it. That's a weird box, bro, right? Why is that like that? Oh, good. Thank you for handling with care, but this thing is taped beyond belief. You guys know I can't get into things, so let's just speed warp time lapse. Go. Alright, boys, finally got her open. Oh no. Okay, at this point you know what it is. But okay. Damn it! I was gonna have a cool review of it in it, but I definitely shook it up too much and it's not like sitting in the place that it probably should be down there or something like that. Without further ado, boys, it is a ring, that's all I know. And a real diamond ring at that. Boys, without further ado, let me know if you guys like this series, man. No, you know what? I'm just gonna do it like this. 3, 2, quick ad. This video is brought to you by NameBranFam.com, boys. Link is down below. We've got mystery boxes on there. Guess what? They're only $24.99. You're guaranteed to get more value out of the money you spent or something like that. I'm not really good at pitching these things, but it's super dope, bro. Somebody who orders one of the mystery boxes is either gonna get a PS5 or an Xbox Series X, and we also got free jewelry on there with the link down below. All I ask you guys to do is pay shipping. You can add 2 free jewelry pieces to your cart for the price of 1 shipping. Yeah, good marketing. Alright, you know what? Here's how we're gonna do it. I just thought about this. I'm gonna feel where the hole is, because I like the reveal of it being in the okay, I can already feel it. Oh, she's a thin little one, isn't she? She said that to me once or twice. I'm not looking. Quick reveal in 3, 2, 1. Damn! She's blinged out! Yeah! Oh, is that white gold? Okay, if it's real diamond, it's white gold. A lot of people say they don't put things, oh, they do though, on silver. Sorry, it's white gold! Yes! I don't have any white gold jewelry yet. I had a chain, but I snapped it because I think I was mad at one, but something happened. I'm not even sure. To be honest, I don't. Oh, I haven't even looked at the ring yet. Okay, so there's no way you guys can see it. It says 10 karat white gold. Well, it doesn't say white gold, but 10 karat white gold. We got the diamonds here, bro. It doesn't go all the way around. It's not a bad thing at all. Fits the pinky right there. That's not bad, bro. Thank you so much. Dude, I can't imagine. Sorry, I just said it's not bad, bro. It's crazy, bro. I'm just having some other things in my mind. Being honest. Yeah, I don't want to burst your bubble, buddy, but these diamonds actually do not look that real to me. The way I can tell is just by the setting. This is still so awesome, though, bro. We are going to diamond test this. So thank you so much for sending this, but it is white gold. But if you guys can see the setting on that, it doesn't, I mean, there's a lot of real crappy jewelers that might set diamonds like that. Now I'm worried that I'm gonna be too shaky to even try to diamond test this, but the setting is really, really weird and a little suspect. I'm not complaining. I love this series. I think this is dope, but I'm just letting you know, bro, you might have gotten gypped. And I can't remember how much he said. I think he said he spent around 600 on it at one point, which is a lot of money. Okay, let's diamond test this. You guys can really see the setting's really weird for a real piece like that. Not bad. I'm just letting you know, brother. And I'm also trying to be more informational on these videos, informative. So we got the diamond tester. Let's let it heat up real quick. And we're just gonna watch me struggle for 5 minutes to diamond test this while I shake. I've had 5 coffees today. Should probably stop and trying to quit, but I'm not. Speaking of, I'm gonna go grab my coffee real quick. Diamond tester engaged. I swear I'm hitting one perfectly too. Oh, dude. These might be CZs, which is super weird because this is actually on white gold, which I'm gonna try to show you again. No, you can't see it. Yeah, shoot. I will say I don't always trust this diamond tester, bro. I could be wrong, but the setting really threw me off on this one. She doesn't look good. She doesn't look good, but she still looks good, buddy. Thank you so much. I hope that doesn't piss you off too much. But boys, that's the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know if you want to send some stuff for videos and if you're cool with me giving it away to the audience and stuff like that. Or if you really want me to keep it, I could do that. I wouldn't not accept. No, I don't usually. Anyway, appreciate you guys for watching. Quick little short video. I love this series. Let me know if you guys do too. And let's put it back in there. See in the box right there, it just looks so sick. I mean, it looks sick all the time, but she's not real, bud. I'm sorry to tell you. Anyway, imagine NameBran telling you your diamonds aren't real. Oh, you've hit a new low, dude. All right, bye. We gotta turn that off.